Sir, makikihingi lang po kami ng update about the condition of your mother, former First Lady. How is she?
Pagaling na ng pagaling. She today is lalabas na siguro siya sa ospital. She's scheduled to come out on I think Thursday. Kasi ang nangyari kagaya ng nung bulletin na ilinabas namin, although she was feeling better already, wala na yung pabawas na talaga yung lagdat niya, by now wala na. Yung mga doktor nag-decide na maiwan muna siya sa ospital habang binibigyan pa siya ng antibiotics hanggang matapos yung course of antibiotics. So, ang ano nila is, sabi nila sa akin when I last spoke to them was Thursday. So, she's in good spirits. She's the usual mga good signs. Gusto nang umuwi, rinireklamo yung pagkain sa ospital, marami nang gustong papuntahan, marami nang gustong, so, alam mo naman kilala niya naman yung mother ko, ang pinakamahirap para sa kanya yung walang ginagawa. Kaya medyo yun, nandun na tayo ngayon. So as I said, that's a good sign. So I look forward to seeing her when we get back on her feet and out of the hospital.